Hi friends, Ala is here and welcome to the vlog number 9. In today's video, I want to share with you how I prepare my studio. I decided to create some fresh air in my space and to create more comfortable ways of having my materials, and that it also not be only just taking care of materials, but also to be an inspiring place to stay, to create, and to share more things with you. Follow me along this video to see how I prepare my space. So friends, here are these stuff that we bought yesterday in IKEA. And as you can see, there are a lot of things. I'm not sharing everything, but I hope it is seen here on the video. I will change the lighting. I have some organizers here. I have a big, huge, beautiful green plant for the background for the videos. And here are several things just to create more warmy feeling on my studio. Mostly all of the things I will be doing here. I want this white space to stay filled with my paintings, with my art studio stuff. It's Sunday morning and I'm almost done with my art studio, and in this part of the video I want to share how I will organize this stand, this movable stand that I can take whenever I need it, and to paint really quick and easy. The idea of this place is that it provides me all my most usable stuff really quick and without messing up all my art studio. Let's get started. I decided that I want to create here on my studio some autumn vibes. It is autumn already, and I want to add some of my latest paintings. One of those you will find on my Patreon. As I want that my painting is not moving there and forth. So when you see that you like the way that the painting looks like, then you take some washi tape. I'm making sure that I still like it, because there is still time to change it if I want. And we include it here and adjust it. Look how beautiful it stays. Yeah. Now let's proceed with the second one. And now this is the last part of my art studio. I will share with you how I'm organizing the stuff here. I think that I will try the minimalistic part, but let's see it during the time if it will be fulfilled with lots of stuff or not. So friends, I finished with creating my mini art studio space where I will continue creating for you and creating not only YouTube videos, but also Patreon, demo tutorials, and so much more. I tried to create this space as minimalistic as I could because I decided to have only the most important stuff for me. But I want also to know, what do you think about? Do you like art studio with minimalistic side, or would you like to have lot of things and see it more vibrant? I want to hear from you, so leave the comments below. I will be happy to read all of your comments. Also, don't forget to thumbs up to this video and to subscribe to my channel. I'm always happy to see your feedback and to create even more for you. Thank you for watching, and till the next time. Bye.